Welcome to the Darkhorse Remote Access Guide for how to access your computers remotely. So, first things first, we're going to navigate to darkhorseportal.com or darkhorse.screenconnect.com. That will both take you to here. You're going to ignore what's in the middle of your screen. That is for one-time access for our technicians to give you a code to log in. We're going to go ahead and click Login in the upper right. We're going to enter in our username and password. At this point, a one-time code, this is two-factor authentication, is going to get emailed to you. If you click Trust this device, then you're going to have a remembered access for roughly 14 days, so 2 weeks. So the code came through into my email, looks just like this. So this 306427, I'm going to go ahead and paste that into there. Let's go ahead and trust this device and log in. So that's going to get you into the portal where we're going to then see what computers we have access to. For this, I just gave myself access to a test folder here. And let's say I want to connect to my server. I'm going to go ahead and click on the server, hit join, hit open client, and that's going to take you directly into the remote access. Now, if you're on a server, sometimes you need to hit Control Delete to get to the password screen. That is available up here, and then you'd be able to put that in. Now, you can also go up to this lightning bolt and do Send Control Delete. Go over a couple more of the options here. You can block if you're remoting in and someone is sitting in front of the computer, you can block them from using the mouse or keyboard. You can also blank the guest monitor, so if you're remoting in and do something sensitive, you don't want your staff to see it, you can do that as well. If you have a keyboard, so if you copy and pasted something and you want to send it through the session, you can just send it here by pressing that button. You can reboot the computer. You can activate remote printing from this screen. The other option to note is the monitors. If you have multiple monitors, you can just select one or you can select both of those. Other than that, there's a file transfer menu. So you can send or receive folders and change those defaults on how you want that to happen. You can see who all is on the remote access session. You can use this to chat with the person that is on the other end of the computer if they are there. Other than that, that is about the basics of what you need to know. If you need to know any advanced functions, please contact Darkhorse. Thank you.